In this video, I will show you how to rename multiple files easily in Windows 10 and 11. First you go to Microsoft Store and search Microsoft PowerToys. Download and install PowerToys. I already installed PowerToys. Open PowerToys and run it. Click Power Rename and enable Power Rename. See, I rename all this file. Select all file, then right-click on your mouse, click Rename with Power Rename. Search the text you want to rename. I rename HCR text. Now type the replace text. I type my text. See here the original file name. See here the rename file name. Click Apply. See file renamed successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.